I had that kind of scary music to introduce you to Nikola. This probably will be my last time actually going to Nikola because we are getting ready to go back to North Dakota for 6 months. And I'm sitting out here in a nice sunny day in Arizona. And yesterday I went by, I thought, I want to go check and see how many people are there. There's a fraction of the number of cars there, the worker cars there that were there the last time. So this is going to be kind of an extended video. In the first part, I have it at 50% faster speed. As you can see, this is I'm not moving that fast, but I thought I'd shorten this up because I'm going to have close-ups of all the trucks that are left there. I did see, surprisingly, when I was driving away from there, I saw 2 semi-trucks, and one of them was a Nikola truck with a different, somebody else's box on the back, some other trailer. I wanted to go to this little spot here. I see the Nikola 1 is still there. Not very many trucks are still there. I'm anxious to find out if well, there's probably no if about it. Are they going to have an auction for all these trucks? I'd be very tempted to buy one of the ones that have batteries in it, not the ones without the batteries, because batteries are quite expensive. There's the original one. I'm coming in kind of low. And some of those I'm up to about 1,000 feet, zooming in on them. But this one I'm coming in kind of low on the first Nikola, that famous truck that, what was his name? Milton. Anyway, Trevor Milton, that he had coast down the hill. As you can see, I'm going to be coming in closer on some of these vehicles to look at the battery packs and some that do not have the battery packs. But I wanted to give everybody the opportunity to see what it's like now that they've declared bankruptcy. Our stock, I went to look at my stock today on Schwab, and you can't sell it. Maybe, the count is frozen. I think it was down to 13 cents or 18 cents the last time I looked, but you can't do anything about it. They still have a lot of trucks, and I'm sure that a lot of these, if not most of them, these right now that you're looking at I'm sure they're operational. And I did notice something interesting when I did come in, because I'm quite high up actually. I'm 6 to 9 zoom right now in on these things. I'm floating around on this one, probably about 500 or 600 feet. And but there was nobody outside. There was no indication of anybody around the facility, other than those 2 semis that I mentioned. So you're going to hear noise because I'm out here. It's very windy, and I just had some aluminum cans blow around. But I like sitting outside in the sun, editing these videos, and I'll be posting this today. Today is April the 4th. This was shot on the 3rd. And I was looking at those. As you can see, those things are stripped down. But an interesting thing I saw for the first time, because I think I'm 9x zoomed in on these things. So you're going to see a lot of movement. It only takes a little bit of movement when you're zoomed in that far to get off track. But in the I noticed that they had these papers in the windshield, which I've never seen. Well, I haven't really come this close before. In the windshield of maybe things that the truck needed. And maybe on this one I'll see it. Look in the windshield. See all those papers in the windshield right there? Those are maybe indications of what the truck needs or what is dysfunctional on the truck. But, these do not have any battery packs in them. They probably have the traction motor. Yeah, that one, I see a traction motor there, traction motor there, there. Thought I'd come back over, but I never noticed all the paperwork that is sitting on the dash of these trucks. Can you imagine probably spent a couple $100,000 each on each of these trucks? Probably even more because of their initial production. It could be $500,000 in each one of these trucks. Who knows? But having zero value now, or very little value now, these trucks that I'm scanning over right now have the battery packs, traction motor. I think they should be fully operational. It's kind of sad to see a demise of a company. I've invested in 5 electric vehicle companies, Nikola being one of them. And out of the 5, I maybe it was 6, because I think I bought Solo at one time. They're gone. And out of the 6 that I've maybe invested in, 4 out of the 6 have zero value now. And the only ones I've ever made money on is NIO, a Chinese company, and Tesla. I wish I had held on to my Tesla stock a little longer, because it went up 10 times after I sold it. So anyway, here's the scan of my final flight out of Nikola Motors in Coolidge, Arizona. I hope you've enjoyed my videos so far. I've spent a little time with Nikola. But anyway, thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.